you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be filming a what I got for my birthday, because as you guys would have seen from my vlog, it was my 28th birthday fairly recently, and I filmed one of these last year, and I love looking back on these because in years to come I think I'll like looking back on them and think like, oh, what did I get for my birthday when I was that old? So yeah, I'm going to be doing a what I got for my birthday, and I'm just going to whiz through it all. Now this is going to be in no particular order because I have a lot of stuff accumulated next to me and I feel like I just want to whiz through it as quick as possible, otherwise this video would be an hour long. So without further ado, I'm going to dive right in, and I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So firstly, I'm going to start off with a few things I bought with my birthday money, because if you guys saw the vlog that I uploaded a few weeks ago, me and Ryan went to Glastonbury for my birthday, which was so incredibly fun. I absolutely loved it, and we went crystal shopping and we went to Clark's Village, yes, Clark's Village, and I bought a few perfumes, so I'm gonna start with those. So for Christmas, Ryan got a Molten Brown fragrance, which smells absolutely delish, and usually Molten Brown fragrances are between £85 to £120, which, I'm not being funny, is not within my price range for myself. So when I saw this was £15, snapped it right up. This is the Jasmine and Sunrose fragrance, and this one smells unreal. Smells fresh, clean, like a sophisticated woman, but light. Does that make sense? Like a light, sophisticated woman smell. Delish. Honestly, unreal. So I got that, and that was £15, absolute bargain. I then picked up this Molten Brown fragrance. This is in the Suede Orris fragrance, which is one that Ryan really likes, but this is like the feminine smell, I suppose. I don't actually know whether it is like the feminine smell, but it is a lighter fragrance anyway. And this was originally £85 down to £12.75. Bargain. I can't remember what this one smells like, but it smelled nice, so yeah, pick this one up. Mainly for the bargain, to be honest, but I love that. So now moving on to the crystals that I bought myself before I move on to all the other gifts and things. So I went a little bit crazy on crystals because in Glastonbury, if you didn't know, the crystal shops there are top tier. They were absolutely phenomenal, and I want to go again because they were incredible. So I bought quite a lot of stuff. So the first thing I got was this selenite wand. I absolutely love this. I really wanted to get a selenite wand just because I love the idea of just like, you know, cleansing myself with it. I love it. So got myself a selenite wand. Really just obsessed with that. I then picked up this, I think this is like an agate geode or something, but this was absolutely stunning. Like looking at this up close, it's beautiful. It's like a white, it's got a hole all the way through. I don't know if you guys can see there, but it's kind of like a clear with black, and like around the edges it's just like a really beautiful like blue. I just love that, so I picked that up. That was £12.50. This was £16, I think it was. The geodes I think are quite affordable, so yeah, and I love the fact it's got a hole at the back, so love that. And then in a different shop I got two towers. The first one is this. Now to any of you guys that are into crystals, please help me out because I don't actually know what this is. I just got drew to it and it was £9, so I bought it, and I can't think for the life of me what it was, but it's absolutely stunning. It looks like a pencil, but I really like it. It's like a strawberry kind of, strawberries and cream vibe. I don't know, I really like that. And then I also picked up this one, which I think is strawberry quartz. I could be wrong, but I think that's what this is, and this is absolutely stunning as well. And this was £12. Like, can we take a minute? That was £12. Absolute bargain, especially in some shops. Like something like this would be like £30, so yeah, love that. Stunning. Got that from, I think the shop was Glastonbury something. It had the word Glastonbury in it, but that's where I got these from, and there was a nice lady that worked there, so thank you to the nice lady that helped me out. And the last crystal shop we went to was where I spent most of my money. So the first thing that I bought was this chevron amethyst tumble. Now I'm not really into tumbles, but when I saw this I was just like, I need to have this. It's such a beautiful kind of purple colour and it feels amazing to hold it. I don't know, I absolutely just love this, so I got this one, and that one was £4, so love that. I then saw this one and I was absolutely in love with it. This is a carnelian tumble and this was £8, but look at the beautifulness. If you don't like crystals you won't appreciate it, but this is a stunning carnelian tumble. Like all the kind of banding in this is beautiful, and I just can't wait to go there again and get some more because these are absolutely insane and beautiful beautiful, and I love carnelian, so I got that. I then saw this ruby zoisite, I think it's called, tower, because I had my eye on this ruby zoisite, like, it's like a tower, but it was like led down in a crystal shop for a very long time, and that was about 60 odd pounds. And I saw this and it was 38 pounds, like it is expensive, but I fell in love with it, so I picked it up, and it's absolutely beautiful. It reminds me of kind of like watermelon-y. Do you know what I mean? I absolutely love this, so I picked up that. Again, absolutely stunning. And the main event was this one, and I wasn't going to buy this because it is quite expensive. This was £54, and this is some rhodonite, and I've had rhodonite on my list for a very long time because I love the colour kind of scheme of rhodonite. It's beautiful. But I picked it up because I thought, do you know what, it's my birthday, so I'm doing it. And it's this absolutely massive, I don't know whether you'd class this as like a palm stone sort of style, but I love the pink and the browns and the blacks, and I just absolutely am obsessed with like the patterns on this. So I picked this up and I'm just in love with it, so I picked that up as well. Absolutely in love. Beautiful. So next up, moving on to things that people actually bought me for my birthday. The first things were from my friend Kelsey, or Lola Robles here on YouTube. You guys know we do videos all the time together, and she is my YouTube BFFFL. So she kindly gifted me two things for my birthday, and she sent them to me, and I'm absolutely obsessed. The first one is this opalite moon, which is absolutely I was gonna say absolutely obsessed, absolutely insane. I love this. I don't own any opalite in my collection, and this is just so up my street. This is something I would definitely purchase myself, and she just knows me so well, so yeah, I'm so excited to have that in my collection. I love it. And the second thing she picked up for me was this bloodstone bracelet. I am really into crystal jewellery. I absolutely love it, and I just love beaded bracelets, so I'm so excited to have this. And bloodstone is really stunning. It's like a really nice kind of aqua dark blue, but it has got red kind of spotting on it. It's so beautiful, and I'm so excited to wear this. So thank you, Kelsey. I love it, and I love you. Thank you very much. Next up, moving on to Ryan's brother Stefan and his girlfriend Kaylee. They bought me a few things. So the first thing they got me was the Dobby Pop figure. He is so cute, and I am usually the sort of person that takes these out of packaging, but actually looking at the box now, I'm unsure if I want to, but I absolutely love him. We all binge watch Harry Potter, so that is why they got me this one, and Dobby is my absolute favourite because, spoiler alert if you've not seen Harry Potter, when he, you know, honestly emotional. I'm an emotional wreck, and I love Dobby, so I love that. Thank you very much. They also got me these really beautiful hair clips. These are from Primark. They're absolutely stunning. I love the look of these. I can't tell which is my favourite. I really love the kind of rainbow effect on this one. I really love them, and these are really nice because I think these would be good for like a half up, half down hairstyle, so I love those. They then got me a sheet mask. I'm a big fan of face masks, especially sheet masks, because I don't like having to like get up and like get water all over myself when washing off a face mask, so I love a sheet mask. They then picked me up this. This is a fart extinguisher, and I work with Stefan and his dad and Ryan, and this is the Garden Melody fragrance. As you can imagine, I need to use this a lot at work, so they got me this, and it's very funny, but I will probably be using it, so I love that. Thank you. And the last thing they got me was from Pandora, and they bought me this really beautiful music note pendant. I don't know if you guys can see it very well, for the bracelet that Ryan got me for Christmas, and I absolutely love it. So thank you guys so much. I'm obsessed with that, and it's beautiful, so thank you very much. I do just want to say actually that Ryan's dad gave me money for my birthday. My parents gave me a bit for my birthday. That's why I got all the crystals, by the way. But now moving on to Ryan's mum, she got me this really beautiful box which I can put all my crystals in. You kind of open it up like this, and oh, da da da, and it's got loads of compartments. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a really nice little display case, and I will definitely be using that for sure, and I absolutely love it. So I got that. But then she also got me this, which I think is my favourite out of the two. This is a really stunning wooden moon tray. So you lie it flat like that, or the other way, or whichever, and you can put your crystals in it. I might use it for all my tumbled stones. I think that would look really beautiful. But yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed with this, and I really can't wait to rejig my crystal area because I need more space, and I think this is definitely going to have to go there because it's going to look stunning. Moving on to what Ryan got me for my birthday, the first thing he got me was the Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the shade Fenty Glow, and I'd seen somebody wear this on Instagram and I was absolutely obsessed with it. It's such a beautiful nudie kind of orangey colour, and I absolutely love Fenty lip glosses, but I refuse to buy them just on a whim because they're so expensive. They're like £17, which is absolutely gross, but it's absolutely stunning, so I'm so excited to have that. He then also picked me up my first ever set of tarot cards. I'm so excited to actually learn how to use these because I actually have no idea how to use tarot cards, but I saw these on Amazon. I can't remember how much they were. I think they're about £17, but I absolutely loved the design of these. They were so beautiful. They kind of relate to crystals as well, which is why I wanted these ones, and yeah, I'm so excited to give these a go. I have no idea what I'm doing though, so I'm gonna have to do a lot of research, but yeah, love these. And the last thing he got me was a pair of shoes, and if you guys don't know, I actually really love Converse. I just always buy Doc Martens because I much prefer Doc Martens, but actually I'm running out of Converse because all my Converse are really old and gross, and I saw Zendaya wear these, and because I'm a massive Tom Holland fan, anything Zendaya wears I want to wear, so I wanted these shoes and I'm absolutely obsessed with these. These are the shoes. Now they're definitely a Marmite shoe for sure, but these are the shoes and I actually really love these. When I first saw these shoes I thought they were absolutely horrendous, but they are a bit of me. They're a platform. They're just, oh, I just absolutely love these. I'm so excited to have them, so I got these too, and yeah, I cannot wait to style these. Definitely a summer shoe with some like light jeans or something. I just really like the look of these, so yeah, so excited to have these. So thank you, Ryan, I love. I also forgot to mention that my nan gave me some money as well, which was really lovely, but I think the rest of everything is from my parents, so I'm just going to whiz through everything. And if you guys don't know, I have gone to the gym 4 days a week-ish for a few months now, so I am really starting to get into the gym. So they firstly bought me a bunch of gym socks because all my socks are odd and old, so I'm gonna get rid of all my socks, and I have new socks, which is very fun. You know, when you get to 28 where socks is exciting. Oh, and there's another pair of socks. I also got a gym towel. This one I think is just from Sports Direct, but it's a really nice like navy colour, grey navy, so I love that because I go spinning and when I forget a towel it's a sweaty mess, so I needed a new towel. My dad actually picked me up these two little chocolate eggs. This one is Reese's and this one is Hershey's Cookies and Cream, so I have those. Completely forgot I had those in there, so that's really exciting. I then got a few little bags. The first one is this one and it says, "Be a unicorn in a field of horses," and it's just a cute little like makeup purse slash, this would be really good to have like inside your purse, inside your handbag, just for like odd bits and pieces, if you know what I mean, so I love that. And then I also got this, which says the same thing, but this is one of those bags that has a bag inside the bag that you put in your bag, do you know what I mean, for like shopping and stuff, so I love that. Always really handy to have those. Then I got some new gym clothes, which I actually haven't been able to wear because I've wanted to film this video, so I can finally get rid of my old leggings because they have a hole in the seam, in the leg, so they need to go in the bin, but I wanted to show you these ones before I wore them. So these are, I think these are just from, I think these are just Sports Direct ones, I think, yes. And these are some really lovely, like high waist, thick band, pink, full length leggings because I got some for Christmas, but they're 3/4 and it's a little bit too cold for those at the moment. And then I got these, which I love the colour of these. These are a really nice blue, very stretchy. Again, the exact same long leg. Absolutely love those. I then got a pair of black ones. Again, these are a little bit different to the ones I have at the moment. These have got like a thicker waistband, and I think these ones go sort of to the ankle, which are really nice. So I got some black leggings. I also got some grey ones. Basically got every colour of legging. Like, I don't need any more gym leggings for a while. Oh, it's still coming. Some more black ones. These have got a nice high waist band though. I really like these. Like, these are a nice, these are going to cinch me right in, which is great. And then I have another pair of grey ones. Yeah, okay, so I have a lot of leggings. I did not realise I got this many pairs of leggings for my birthday. I'm very excited though because, yeah. Oh, these are new look. Well, that's exciting. Okay, I did not realise. So these are new look ones, but these are grey. Love those. So yeah, I'm really excited to try those. I actually haven't used new look gym wear before, so that's really exciting. And then I also got this top. This again was new look, and this is just like a, what is it called? Like a, just a vesty style situation, but I love this for like the gym. So 10 out of 10. excited about that. And last but not least, we are moving on to shoes. I feel like I whizzed through that bag quite quickly, but a lot of it was gym wear. You guys don't need to have an in-detailed chat about gym wear, do you know what I mean? So the first thing is a pair of shoes. These are Adidas, but these are from Sports Direct. So these were only £26, absolute bargain. And these are just some white shoes, which will be absolutely wrecked, I can guarantee you, by 3 weeks time. But these are just for the gym. I only wanted some shoes for the gym, cheap and cheerful. I'm not one to wear mega expensive shoes to the gym because they get absolutely wrecked, but these will be great for spinning and going to the gym and stuff. So I got those, which I'm really excited to finally be able to wear, because again, I've been wearing my other shoes which are falling apart because I was wanting to film this video. So yeah, very excited to wear those. And now for the main event, which is obviously the Doc Martens that I chose for my birthday, because as you guys know, I'm a massive Doc Martens person. I always pick a few pairs for my birthday and for Christmas, and I'm incredibly lucky that I get a few pairs for my birthday and for Christmas every year. So these were the ones I chose, and yes, I do still have some on my wish list because I'm obsessed, but these are the ones I chose and I cannot wait to show you guys, honestly. So the first pair are these. So these ones I actually bought myself because I'd seen them in the Doc Martens store when I was shopping for my mum's Christmas present, which is a while ago now, and these were actually on sale, and I remember that I'd seen them when they were on sale, and I rang my dad and I was like, do I buy them? Like, I don't know what to do, because they were still expensive. They were still £120, which is a lot of money, but instead of like £170–80, so instantly I think, oh, I'm saving money, do you know what I mean? So I rang my dad and he was like, look, buy them and we'll get them for you for your birthday. I was like, fine, okay, great. So I picked them and love these. These are them. Yes, I have these in many a colour. I love the Sinclairs a lot. I'm a big Sinclair fan. I just love the style. I love that you can do them up as normal little boots, or you've got the zip detail. I just really, really like that design. But these are the croc print in white in the patent, which I really, really love. So I got those, absolutely obsessed. And then I also got these. Now you're probably looking at these thinking, Melody, you've already got these. No, no, no. These are the ox blood. You probably can't tell on camera. They probably look black. Hang on, can you tell? No, I don't think you can. Can you? Oh, there you can. There we go. Yeah, so these are the oxblood ones. So these are slightly different. As you guys know, I'm a bit obsessed with shoes, so I need every single colour and colourway possible. But these are the Jaden Max in oxblood, and I absolutely love these. And now they're unavailable. So I think I bought these at the perfect time. So I'm absolutely obsessed with these. I really, really love them. I have wanted those for years, so I'm so excited to finally have them on my collection, and yeah, I'm so excited, so yay me. So that is everything for this video. I really, really hope you guys did enjoy. Thank you so much to anyone who wished me a happy birthday, or got me a present, got me a card, or was just there for my birthday. Thank you so, so much. I'm honestly so appreciative for everything that I got. I don't want you guys to think that I'm showing off or bragging or anything like that. Like, I feel like you guys would understand me by now, that you know that I'm not going to do this video to show off. It's just not my kind of vibe. I just do it because I like watching these back, and I like watching people's what I got for my birthdays, so that is why I filmed it. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys had a fantastic day. Thank you guys so, so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.